how to add money to your Venmo account step by step. First, open the Venmo app on your mobile device. If you don't have yet, you can download it from the App Store for iOS or Google Play Store for Android. Now, log into your Venmo account using your email address, phone number, or username. If you're new to Venmo, you'll need to sign up and create an account. Once logged in, locate and tap on the menu. This is usually represented by 3 lines or dots in the top left or right corner of the screen. In the menu, find and select Manage Balance. This option allows you to add money to your Venmo account. Tap on the Add Money button. You'll be prompted to enter the amount you wish to add to your Venmo balance. Now select your preferred payment method for adding money. Venmo typically allows you to use a linked bank account, debit card, or a credit card. Follow the prompts to confirm your transaction details, including entering any necessary security information like CVV for credit cards. Now review the transaction summary to ensure everything is correct. Then tap on Confirm or Submit to complete the process. Depending on your account security settings, you may need to verify the transaction through a verification code sent to your registered email or phone number. Once the transaction is processed completely, you'll receive a confirmation message and your Venmo balance will reflect the added funds. Congratulations, you've successfully added money to your Venmo account. Now you can use your Venmo balance to send payments, make purchases, or transfer funds to friends.